Hey Papa, wish you a very, very, very happy 50th birthday. OMG, this is your golden jubilee. Honestly, 50 has never looked so good. I hope you're having a wonderful day already, but here's a small surprise from your loved ones to bring a big smile on your face. So just sit back and enjoy.
We sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true.
Happy, happy birthday.
तुम जियो हजारों साल साल के दिन हो 50,000. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Harry. Happy birthday to you. Wish you a very very happy 50th birthday. जाम नियत है न मिले आयो 50th birthday जरूर सेलिब्रेट करण खपे. डिसाइड कंदा से कदी कयूं था. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and wish you a happy birthday once again. Enjoy yourself.
Happy birthday, Harish bhai. Happy birthday, many happy returns of the day. Stay blessed, beta, and remain happy forever. जुग जुग जियो मेरे लाल. भाई पार्टी कभी दे रहा है रजा? पार्टी के इंतजार में बैठे 50वां सालगिरह है जन्मदिन का. जोर शोर से जश्न से होना चाहिए भाई. कब आवे बता. खुश रहो, आबाद रहो, फूलो फलो और झूमते रहो हमेशा.
Hi Mama, congratulations on completing 50 years of your life. It's a big thing, it is not a small thing, and definitely this calls for a celebration, and especially for you because you never step back or you never hesitate to throw any parties. हम लोग ने इतनी सारी parties की है, आपके घर पे की है parties. लॉकडाउन के पहले भी I think जो हम लोग ने last get together किया था वो आपके घर पे किया था. So yes, 50th birthday definitely calls for a grand party. We are looking forward to it. I hope all of this settles down fast, and you know it is right for all of us to come together again and celebrate. Till then, I think I would like to thank Neha, Komal and Pooja Mami to make all of this possible so that हमारी आवाज़ और हमारी जो है शुभकामनाएं आप तक पहुंच रही है. So thank you so much guys. Thank you for being the way you are, Mama. You were always like a friend to us whenever we went out, whenever we used to hang out or go for picnics and etc. So continue to be this way. You are an amazing mama. You are a cool mama because हर किसी को इतना cool mama नहीं मिलता है. So thank you so much, and once again wishing you a very very happy birthday on this special day for you. Have fun.
Wish you a very very happy birthday. Though you don't look 50, but it is still your 50th birthday. So enjoy and have an amazing party. जल्दी ही मिलेंगे and we'll party hard.
करना वो जाके अपनी भैंस चराए.
बस आज की रात है, कल से वहीं से आप.
कैसे हो? अब 50 साल के हो गए. आपको कोई देख के कह ही नहीं पाएगी आप 50 साल के हो गए हो. You're so young at heart, you're so full of energy, and whenever I've seen you, you're always smiling. So please stay the same, and yeah, here's wishing you a very very happy 50th birthday. आपका 50th birthday है, आपको ऐसे नहीं जाने दे सकते. It calls for a very big celebration party. का है मामा?
बाद में न कहना कुछ भी, पहले ही दे दूं वार्निंग. पार्टी चलेगी.
Happy birthday, wishing you loads of love on your 50th birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Jiju. Happy birthday to you. We'll come and give you birthday bumps for sure. Happy birthday once.
करते बाय बाय माइकल जैक्सन
वाले 2-3 एक्शन करके दिखाए
Wishing you a fabulous 50th birthday. Being with you has been the best journey of my life. Thank you for always being there for me. May the next half century of your life be as special as wonderful as the first half. Congratulations on the milestone achieved.
अपनी पार्टी जारी है
From the three of us for you on this special day. Even Trisha is going to sing. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday mama, happy birthday to you,
Happy birthday! Wish you a very happy year ahead.
enjoy your day. Bye.
और जिसको डांस नहीं करना वो जाके अपनी भैंस चराए Here we go.
हरे राम हरेश लाल तव्हांखे तव्हांजे 50 जनमॾींहं जूं करोड़ वधायूं थियव. तव्हां सदा सलामत रहो, आबाद रहो, पंहिंजे परिवार समेत. तव्हांखे तव्हांजे जनमॾींहं जूं शुभकामना.
Hi Mama, wish you a very happy birthday.
Hi Harry, wishing you a very happy birthday. God give you a healthy and happy life. Enjoy your day. Happy 50th birthday. Happy birthday, Mama.
Ready to dance, आने वाला है खाने का.
Hi Harish Jiju. Janamdin तव्हांखे लख वाधायूं अथव. This is your 50th birthday and pave the path for us. 50th is the new 20th. And you're just looking like 20. Enjoy the day. We'll meet up soon and party hard. Once again, have a great day. Cheers.
Happy 50th birthday, Mama. Have an amazing one. Have a healthy, wealthy, and blessed year ahead.
Happy birthday Mama.
Hi Harish Jiju. Happy 50th birthday. Wishing you a great year ahead. Party hard. Bye bye.
इसको फिक्र है ये किसका कसूर ओके सो के हुआ.
Hi Harry, I wish you a very happy Golden Jubilee birthday. I just want to wish you lots of luck, good health, wealth, and of course a joyful birthday. And I especially want to thank you for being such a wonderful and caring brother. Always be the same. God bless you.
Hi Harish, wish you many happy 50th birthday. Wish you many such more joyful birthdays ahead of you. Have a great year and a wonderful life, and may God bring all your wishes true. Have a great time. Cheers. Bye.
जो सारे जी फाड़ के हिल के नाचो नाचो हिल के नाचो नाचो हिल के नाचो नाचो जो सारे जी फाड़ के
तव्हांखे जन्मदिन जूं शुभकामनाएं. हैप्पी बर्थडे.
कैसे हो? सब फर्स्ट क्लास. हैप्पी हाफ सेंचुरी बर्थडे मामा. सब ठीक है तो?
How are you? May God give you good health and wealth. Hope all you are fine. Happy birthday.
Many happy returns of the day, Harish Jiju. You are the youngest Rishi Kapoor in my family, I think, because जब आपके साथ गुल्लू की शादी हुई तो वी वर लाइक अरे ऋषि कपूर से रिश्ता हुआ है, ऋषि कपूर से, एंड यू स्टिल लुक द यंगेस्ट दामाद इन द फैमिली और द यंगेस्ट जीजू. हैप्पी बर्थडे, एन्जॉय योर डे. एंड अब इतना सब बोल दिया है तो मतलब ऐसे नहीं कि पार्टी पेंडिंग है बोलना, पार्टी पक्की है बोलना. फुल बटर कर दिया है अभी आपको मैंने. यू लुक हैंडसम, डैशिंग, यंग एंड सुपर्ब ऑलवेज. हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन. बाय बाय.
Hey Papa, wishing you a very very happy 50th birthday. So it's your golden jubilee today. But for me, since 0 has no value at all, you've actually become a child again and turned 5. I hope you know how blessed I feel to have you in my life. You are truly the best dad. Today is your special day and so I want you to know how much I love you. I really hope you like this surprise and we were able to make this big day special for you even in the lockdown. Also, one more surprise coming your way. So till then, I hope you have an amazing and wonderful life ahead. Wishing you a very happy birthday once again, Papa.
लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, इस स्पेशल ओकेशन पर हमने आपके लिए कुछ लाइनें लिखी है तो अर्ज किया है
इरशाद इरशाद.
हंसते रहे आप हजारों के बीच, जैसे फूल हंसते हैं बहारों के बीच. रोशन हो आप दुनिया में इस कदर, जैसे चांद होता है सितारों के बीच.
वाह 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 वाह.
नाउ लेट्स कट द केक.